Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman. I will be your host. Today is 5th of July 2023. Please note that the meeting is recorded. And as usual, we would start with introductions. Let me see the participants list. I think I see one new participant. If you would like to introduce yourself, feel free, but it's not mandatory. Okay, if not, then we can continue. The next step is the reminders, or the next point on the agenda is the reminders. Nothing new. The incubation proposal is on hold at the moment. The BMO V1 Beta 1 proposal is being reviewed quite thoroughly by Zane. I seen he left quite a few comments on this, and I also added a LinkedIn issue that I created that I will talk about during the triaging. So that's going on there. And there is nothing else among the reminders. Related to the community working group, before the meeting, I asked Mohamed about the progress there, and it was very good to hear that he received reviews and he started addressing those comments on the OpenDev related to the sushi tool changes. So I guess the scalability is slowly but progressing. And then we arrived to the discussion topics. Today we have only a single pull request that would be nice if you would or if someone would review it or actually just approve it. I think this is sitting here for quite some time. Would you like to say anything about this, Javad? It might be that you already mentioned this on the community meeting. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I mentioned in the Slack channel. This is related to adding TLS configuration for BMO regarding the TLS min and max versions. So yeah, for configuring those values. So it had been reviewed by Tuomo and not previously. I think it needs an approved level. So it has been sitting for quite some time now. So that's why I mentioned it in the channel today as well, so that if any review or anything is needed, so it can be done.
Thanks. Yeah, please feel free to review it. Is there any comment or question related to this one? Okay, if there are no questions, no additional discussion topics, I guess we can go and start the triaging. So related to the triaging, I already looked into it. I will start with the first one. This is from me. I already got a thumbs up from, or a +1 from Zane. What is this is actually just a minor addition to the root device hints. I described here that we had in the past other proposal that had issues that was originally for just custom device hint operators, but this is kind of an ironic feature. So that issue was frozen, but then this is a non-ironic specific option to specify the max size of the disks that we would select for deployment. So that would be the disk where IPA deploys the disk image or the user image. And we already had an option to specify the minimal size, so that what is the minimal size we require, but the max size, which would be a logical addition to that, is still missing. And basically, I just proposed the implementation of that, and I'm willing to implement it. Basically, with the introduction of the max size, we would be able to specify the maximum and also a range and also an exact value. So this single field would bring 3 different new functionality, but of course it would affect the API. And because I see that the V1 Beta 1 proposal is still not accepted, I wanted to propose it as part of that, and I wanted to propose that the implementation would land in the finalized V1 Alpha 1. So, is there any opinion or comment related to this one? If not, is there anyone against accepting this? Because if not, then I will accept it. And then soon, depending on how much. Yep.
I don't see any problem with that. I think it's a good addition.
Okay, great. Well, that's good to hear. Okay, then this is accepted. I will go on to the next one. Okay, this is a question. Recently, I also started getting similar questions downstream related to different custom resources or resource objects. That why are they not accessible from other namespaces other than where the operator is. I remember reading this, that this is an issue for many operators, that certain resources are tied to the same namespace. But why do we have it like this for the IP pool, for the IPAM? I don't remember that what are the limitations, but apparently this person was trying to specify IP pool from different namespace, and it cannot be done. I have never tried it. Does any of you have any experience with this topic? I mean, I'm sure that it is not possible to specify right now, but should we handle it as a question and answer that no, it's not possible, and this is why it's not possible, or should we take it as a feature request?
I'm okay having this as a feature request. Probably needs like more people involved in the discussion.
Yeah, because I vaguely remember a discussion with Leonard, but he's not working today. That there are limitations for
Yes.
what an operator can access, but I don't remember the whole topic.
I mean, we can wait for like to hear more opinions.
Yeah. I don't know if any one of you have time to look into this. please do so, because I'm not sure that the limitation is inherent of an operator, or it is because how we implemented it. Because the feature it would be nice. Like, I understand why someone would like to do it, but I cannot certainly say that it's doable or not. What to answer here?
I think by default, an operator can watch all the namespaces, but in certain scenario, like in multi-tenancy or so, it would be limited to certain or one namespace, which can be a blocker to this feature.
Yeah, now that you mention it, yes, you are right. And wasn't it so that with these Kubernetes operators, the issue is that you either allow it to look into all namespaces or just to one?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
It can be configured to watch all the namespaces or a specific namespace.
Okay, I think this will be my answer, and this will what sort of label should we put in? Because needs more info, or is there something else we can put here? Unresolved indicates that issue that cannot or will not. I would put this, but I think I put here needs more info. Okay, let's progress. Then there was this Metal3 CR stuck in inspecting state. There were no answer after we asked some feedback. Then there was this, and Sunat, are you here? Yes.
Yes, I am here.
So the fix is okay for this person, but was this backported? I haven't found
No.
the backports yet.
No, I tried to do like a cherry pick, but it failed, and I guess somehow forgot it to do the manual backport to the release. Yeah,
Would
I will
you
do
like?
that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Can I
Yeah.
answer here that you
Yeah,
will?
please.
Or actually, feel free. Please answer, because at least then, like.
Okay, then I will backport it and then answer it.
Yeah, you can already notify this person that you are backporting it. Like, let's make it a bit more interactive.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay, then this will be backported, and this will be accepted also, because this was a legitimate issue and there is already a solution for this. And I will remove the triage label. Okay, and put Sunat on this, because you have actually fixed this problem. Nice. Okay. Then failed to inspect hardware. No feedback here. Last time we answered no feedback. Yes, no step-by-step reproduction. No feedback. Okay. And there was the auto discovery. And with this, I read this multiple times and I always forget. But I'm just wondering, should we put this into frozen, or should we let it expire? Because based on the discussion, there is no clear decision that what feature would be needed. There are a lot of discussion about comparing mass and with ironic and different ways of auto discovery, but no clear way to go forward, that what could we implement or support or have with, and there are no further communication for months now. So I believe we can let it expire. What is your opinion?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, because the topic itself is interesting, and surely we could make it more user friendly. Or I've seen that Ironic has support for LLDP, right? If I remember correctly. Yeah.
Yes.
But not this specific issue, because now this is kind of a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we went through all the stuff that was waiting for triage. Good. Let's check the stale ones. Oh, I see. I have my. This is active. I mean, there is no job at the moment that runs with MariaDB, but there we already built the MariaDB. It's just very slowly, but getting implemented. But I believe there is no coverage. Okay, this is Okay. The discovery that stays in stale. Control plane provisioning is incomplete when used with a physical machine. Okay, let's keep it. It could be that Furkat is debugging this. So let's keep it, but I'm not sure that this won't eventually be removed from here. Let's see. Because that's a specific bug and I'm not sure how easy it is to reproduce that. Okay. No, not using IRQ inspect at all. So start where it exits. I would let this expire because it seems that it's not urgent for anyone. And then, as you mentioned, this will go away when the inspector and the ironic are merged together. So I guess this can expire. Yeah, this is active.
So yeah, this is something that we're probably going to work on.
The configuration, the
migrate
user
configuration.
guide.
Yeah, I think I need to double check, but yeah, just keep it active.
Okay, good. That's good. Node orphaned and stuck after early deletion of machine. This is, I remember this issue, and it is, I believe we had no idea how to reproduce this. I will keep it around. I haven't seen this since. Recently. Have any of you seen this, that the machine is deleted, but the node stuck? recently in the last few months?
No, I didn't see.
Yeah, me neither. I will remove this tail because this was a weird bug. But let's ask Leonard that. Or was there a production steps? Create custom, create machine, wait for the work machine. Not really. No, it's actually not even frozen, but I believe this list could be still valid. But I honestly have not tried to debug this one. Okay. We cleaned up the stale. I think frozen is just the usual stuff. And no real change. At least I have no intention to bring anything out of frozen. Please feel free to do so if you have time to work on any of those. And then we have a large list of have wanted. I don't think we need to go through these either. Like have wanted are free to pick by anyone, free to work on that. Unless there is someone already assigned. Yeah, I think that's all. Is there any question, suggestion, problems, anything that we should discuss? If not, then thank you for your time. Let's meet next week, and until then, have a nice week and bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.